Are you your subscriber count? Well, you're in luck. Today, to get 100 subscribers on YouTube, just follow these simple steps, and you'll be well on your way to reach that milestone. Step 1, create engaging content. Step on your journey to gaining subscribers is creating high-quality, engaging content. Your videos need to be informative, entertaining, and unique. Find your niche and deliver content that your target audience will love. Remember, quality always wins over quantity. Step 2,
Optimize your videos.
and titles now that you have amazing content.
It's time to optimize.
It for maximum visibility. Start by optimizing your video titles, making them catchy and relevant to your content. Use keywords that people are searching.
For on YouTube, too.
Increase the chances of your videos showing up in search results.
Additionally, write
Compelling descriptions and add relevant tags to further boost your video's discoverability. Step 3,
consistency is key one of the secrets to grow your
subscriber count is consistency. Upload videos on a regular schedule so that your audience knows when to expect new content from you. Consistency builds trust with your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Aim for at least one video per week, if not more, to keep your channel active and engaging. Step 4, engage with your audience. Building good
communication YouTube.
Respond to comments on your videos, create polls, and even ask your viewers for their input on
Future content ideas. By engaging with your audience,
you'll show them that you value their opinions, and they'll be more likely to subscribe and support your channel. Step 5, find creators in your niche. Expose your content to a new audience, increasing your chances of gaining new subscribers. Step 6, promote your channel outside of YouTube. Don't limit your promotional efforts to just YouTube. Use social media, platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to promote your videos and channel. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, or even screenshots of your videos to capture the interest of your followers and encourage them to subscribe to your channel. In conclusion, growing your YouTube subscriber count takes dedication, consistency, and engaging content. By following these steps, you'll be able to attract new subscribers and reach the milestone of 100 subscribers in no time. So get out there, create amazing content, engage with your audience, and watch your subscriber count soar.